Point number three, leadership development. Listen, as a project manager, you'll always hear me say, we do not manage. Well, some of them do. We don't. We don't manage. We lead. And what does leadership look like? Well, leadership looks like guiding teams, guiding stakeholders, ensuring that ensuring that the team collectively knows you're here to inspire, you're here to motivate, you're here to show that, hey, I'm here to help. I'm just not going to sit back and just because you don't have help, that, hey, I say, well, you need to figure out. No, I'm going to jump in and see how I can help you. I'm going to be that soundboard for you, and I'm going to help move impediments or problems and conflicts out your way so you can do your job. So when someone comes to you and say, hey, I need you to do this, that I can step in and say, hey, this project is a priority. It has to happen. So we'll circle back with you. We'll give you updates when we're able to release this resource. But right now, we need them. Do you know how many times when I went to bat for resources like that, how much harder they wanted to work with me, how much they appreciate what I was doing?